India is a land of abundance, diversity and opportunity. India, we say, can grow anything, and equally endowed is the state of Maharashtra. What the world knows is that Maharashtra is the industrial superpower in India. But what it does not know is that Maharashtra has emerged as the leading agricultural state in the country. And you can share the fruits of this fascinating growth. Reap a golden harvest by sowing your interests in the agro-industries of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is special. Advantage, incentive, investment, benefit are all synonyms for this state. Maharashtra has the highest state income and maximum income from the registered manufacturing sector. Maharashtra is a home to 15% of the country's factories and produces nearly 1/4 of India's industrial output. A state which has the largest percentage of foreign collaborations with giant names in the world. The areas of collaborations are electronics, engineering, electricals, textiles, power generation, food processing, oil refinery, and many others. Maharashtra is proud of its abundant reservoir of technically skilled, qualified, English-speaking workforce. The state has a strong communications network with state highways, national highways, an extensive railway network, and international and domestic airports. The Mumbai port is the largest of the 50 ports in the state. Besides, facilities like international telephone, telex, fax, internet, paging and cellular phone services are available at the tip of your fingers in every corner of the state. Everything conducive for industrial progress. With its diverse agro-climatic conditions, Maharashtra can grow a wide range of tropical and subtropical crops. Maharashtra is a leader in the production of fruit crops, and the major ones are mango, banana, grapes and citrus. The state is the home of Alfonso, the king of mangoes. India accounts for 50% of the world's production of mangoes. 95% of the mangoes exported is Alfonso. Alfonso is preferred by consumers for its excellent flavor and good keeping quality. The area under Alfonso is likely to cross 100,000 hectares by the end of the century. Mandarin orange, popularly known as Nagpuri orange, is a widely preferred variety for direct consumption as well as for a vast range of processed products. Sweet lime is also an important citrus crop. Sweet lime too opens exciting avenues for processing, marketing and export. India alone meets 50% of the global demand for cashew nut, and cashew nut is an important crop in the state. India is the largest banana producer in the world, and Maharashtra is the largest producer in India. Basarai, the second most popular variety in the world, is grown in the state. Maharashtra is also the largest producer and exporter of seedless grapes in India. A number of raisin production units have come up. Several wine production units have also been established with further scope for many more. Pomegranate is a tropical crop growing in the arid region. Today, the state has the largest area under pomegranates in the country. Papaya, sapota, guava and coconut are the other major fruit crops of the state. The state ranks first in the export of fresh vegetables, especially onions, chili, garlic, tomato, okra, bitter gourd and beans. India is the second largest producer of onion in the world, and Maharashtra is the largest producer in the country. Mushroom farming and canning have taken root in the state. Already, fully export-oriented units are operational, and there is a wide scope for more such units. The major agricultural crops of the state are sugarcane and cotton. Maharashtra is the largest producer of sugar in the country. Sugarcane byproducts like bagasse are used for captive power generation, paper and particle board making, alcoholic beverages from distilleries, and sugar-based chemicals. Cotton is known as white gold. Large-scale production of cotton has resulted in 137 mills and 56,000 looms in the state. Successful research in environment-friendly colored cotton has opened new vistas in the garment industry. Groundnut is a traditionally grown major oilseed crop in the state. Maharashtra is the recognized home for safflower. It accounts for 76% of the country's area. Soya bean has emerged as the most popular oilseed crop. Maharashtra ranks first in the country in the production of soya bean. Sunflower is the only oilseed crop that can adapt to all three seasons and is emerging as the second most important oilseed after soya bean. The major pulses grown in the state are gram, red gram, green gram, black gram and green peas. Wheat, sorghum and rice are the major cereals of the state. Floriculture has been put up on a scientific and commercial basis in Maharashtra for rapid development. The state enjoys the privilege of having the country's first and largest carnation project at Nashik. Roses, gerbera, carnation, gladiolus and lilies have emerged as the commercial crops of the state. An extremely good climate offers best prospects for export-oriented floriculture to enterprising and innovative growers. Livestock and poultry farming play an important role in the economy of the state. Maharashtra is the leader in quantity and quality production and export of milk and milk products. Poultry farming is well established in the state. Liberalized policies have brightened the prospects of foreign collaborations for establishing processing units. The demand for Indian meat is also on the rise. Chilled fresh meat, frozen meat and canned meat is exported after production in highly controlled conditions. Maharashtra's 720-kilometer long coastline and 8,200 kilometers of river length has a tremendous potential for fishery. The state shares 20% of the total prawn exports of India. Maharashtra has initiated liberal incentives for the industries like liberal sales tax incentives, higher level of incentives to a pioneering unit for a longer period of time. 100% export-oriented units get a refund on electricity duty. refund of electricity duty to units coming up in the underdeveloped areas for 5 years. Sales tax paid on the purchase of capital equipment and exemption from sales tax on the purchase of raw material regardless of the location. And capital subsidy to the small-scale sector. In the agricultural sector, concrete promotional measures have been undertaken. An ambitious horticulture development program, establishment of cold chain facilities, setting up of a cargo handling complex at the Sahar International Airport, setting up of a pesticides residue testing laboratory with international standards, and an extensive drip irrigation program. Besides, Maharashtra has the most suitable agroclimatic conditions for a wide range of crops. Quick adaptation of new crops and technology by the progressive farming community. Well-developed industrial base. Self-sufficiency in power. Efficient seed industry in the public and private sectors. 40% urban population and an ever-increasing domestic market. Maharashtra offers vast opportunities for corporate investment in agro-processing, agro-inputs, equipments and implements, non-food agro-industries, post-harvest infrastructure, biotechnology, seeds and dairy, poultry and fisheries. This gives Maharashtra a decisive advantage over the other states. Maharashtra, the natural gold mine, with its unmatched capacities of abundant diversity and opportunity, beckons you to share the splendor of its full glory. For Maharashtra is your gateway to a glorious future.